Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to unbox this Hanes X Supreme 2-pack of boxer briefs. The color is fluorescent yellow. Excuse me. Excuse me, everyone. So these are excuse me again. These are Hanes boxer briefs, branded Supreme, fluorescent yellow, size medium. Like the bright color. I wear the black ones that I've unboxed in previous videos. Now they came out with this fluorescent yellow one, so looks just like in the photos. Let me cut these open. Looks super bright like in the photos, how I wanted it to be. These will be my weekend boxers, you know. Gotta wear something bright and fun over the weekends. All right, check it out, check it out. Wow, these pop. Why is there like some stain looking thing right here? I'll wash them before wearing them, but these are super bright. I like them. These are awesome for boxer briefs. And yeah, these are really cool. I like how it's really bright yellow, Supreme logos in white. Yeah, and they fit like regular Hanes boxer briefs. Let me know what you think of these in the description below in the comments. And I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you for the next random unboxing video. Later.